Hi, my name is Musugochku Alfred and folks call me the Online Millionaire, and in this very video I'm going to show you the easiest way to write a book or articles. Okay, so this is my email and I'm going to take it up from here. So once you open up your email like this, the next thing you're going to be doing is to come here, click on this the square box, right? Then you scroll down to locate Google Docs, and you click on that and wait for it to load. Immediately it loads, you click on this plus sign to create a blank page. So you wait for the blank page to be created and you name your article or your book. So in this case, I'm gonna name this, I'm pretending like I'm writing a book now. So I'm gonna name it Light in 1945. Light in 1945. Alright, so I correct that. Okay, so now you have named your file and it's time to start creating the book or the article that you want to write. Okay, so you're going to come to tools and you hit on that, and then the next thing you want to do is to come down to voice typing. You click on voice typing, and the next thing you want to do is to click here, okay, the mic, to speak. So we are ready, and here we go. It was on a Saturday, on a cold evening in 1945 in a city called Abba. Then came in the people. With them were over 1,000 other people. They were strangers. They knew nothing about the land, they knew nothing about the place nor the language. They looked quite different from every other person. It was a very gloomy day. And when they came in, a lot actually happened. But I'm gonna break it thus. Alright, so you see how I've been writing all of this, and I can continue to go on and on and on and on and on till I get what I want. Okay, then the beautiful thing about it is that after writing, you can also sit down to now edit properly. Okay, so stuff like adding paragraphs are things you can do. So like I'm gonna add paragraph now. I will just pause and then I say paragraph. So here we kick off with another paragraph and we continue with our writing. Do you see how easy it is to do these things? And thanks gracious, technology makes things a lot more easier and faster. So imagine you typing all of this within a short period of time without hitting the keyboard, without really stressing yourself much. So with this you can actually do 5 books in a year if you want. If it's articles, you can do as much as you want to. So work has been made easy with technology, and I think you should start taking advantage of that. With that, we come to the end of this very training, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.